Yes. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Yes. And today I'm going to explain this topic, multiplication of algebraic expressions. So let's see. And it is first video for this week. So let's get started here. Multiplications of monomials. Mainly we have to see here multiplications of monomials, which are the one of the type of algebraic expressions only. So first we will see some rules here. That rules are: the product of two factors with like signs is positive only, and if their signs is opposite, then the product will be negative. And the product of two factors with unlike signs is negative. So if the factors have the opposite sign, unlike signs, then their result will be negative, and if the factors will have the same sign, then their result will be positive. Okay. Now the second rule is, if suppose that b is any variable, okay, and m and n are integers, okay, then we have b to the power m into b to the power n is equals to b to the power m plus n. That means if their base will be same, that is one of the law of exponent. If their base is same, then you can add their exponent. That means b to the power m into b to the power n is b to the power m plus n. That means you will add the powers only. Okay. For example, if we have x to the power 3 and here x raised to the power 5, then you may write that x to the power 3 plus 5, and that is equals to x to the power 8, because the base is x only here. So you may add their exponent 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now let's see some questions here of monomial multiplications. So find the product this 3a square into 9a to the power 6. So first we are going to multiply their numerical values. Okay, we can say numerical coefficient also. So 3 into 9, write in that bracket, and then multiply the variables a square and a to the power 6. Okay, that you will get the result 3 into 9 27, and a square into a to the power 6, their base again same here as we have seen previous, base is same here, so you can add the powers a to the power 2 plus 6, that will give the value a to the power 8. So the result is 27 into a to the power 8. Okay. Now next we are going to see this question, minus, where I am using two or three variables. In the first term it is given two variables a and b, and the second you can see a, b and c. Okay, a square, b and c. So three variables there, and in the first term we are using the two variables here. Then you may write that first you can multiply the numerical values, minus 4 into minus 5. So this will give the result minus 4 into minus 5 is 20, because minus into minus, they are like signs, so the result will be positive only here. Now a into a square and b into b, and then the last c is remaining alone. Okay, that you will multiply using the law what I have explained. If the base is same, then you may add their powers. So it is 20 into a to the power 1 plus 2 and b square, b into b, two times you have multiplied the variable, so it is b square, and into c. So the result is, if two times you have multiplied b into b only, then the power will be 2 only. So it is 20 into a to the power 3 b square c. This is the result. Okay. So this way you can multiply the monomials. First you may separate their numerical values, and then after that stepwise, one by one, you can select the variables and you can multiply them. First you try to choose the variables where the base is same, okay, so that you can use that rule. that exponents only you will add. Same here I have done. First I have taken A, then I have taken both the B's from, and then at the last C is alone. Okay, then you see this here I have taken the numerical values in fraction. That means numerical values I have taken rational numbers. So here also same rules applies. You can apply that. Minus 3 by 14 into 7 by 6. First multiply them, and then one by one stepwise multiply their variables. So x into x cube, first you select the x from both the sides, then you select the other variables y. Not necessary that first x only, you may multiply y also first. Okay, so then you will take y to the power 4 into y. That will give the result here. First you can cut that 7 and 14. Okay, that x to the power 3 plus 1, again the base is same here. Here the power is 1 given, x to the power 1. So you can, that it will give the result x to the power 3 plus 1, and here y, it is y to the power 1. Then result is y to the power 4 plus 1. Now you may cut that 7 and 14. 7 into 1 time, because 7 is numerator here and 14 is denominator. So 7 into 1 and 7 into 2 times you will cut that, it will give 7 to the 14. 7 into 2 14. Now you may multiply minus 3 and 6 you will cut 3 into 1 time, and this 3 into 2 times. So result is what? Minus 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 into y to the power 5. Okay, so this is the final result of this question here. Minus 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 into y to the power 5. Now question number 4, here 3 monomials you have to multiply. 3 monomials. Minus 7 by 5 x square y into 3 by 2 xy square into minus 6 by 5 x cube y cube. That you can do like this. All the numerical values, all the rational number values, first multiply them. So minus, and keep them in one single bracket. That means separate them from the variables. That's why we are keeping them in one separate bracket here. So minus 7 by 5 into 3 by 2 into minus 6 by 5. This you will write here. Okay, then you cut that numerators, whatever it is divisible from numerators and denominators side, you will cancel them out. So 2 into 1 time, and then 2 into 3 times upside. Now anything is not divisible, I think here, yes, you may see 7 and 3 are not divisible by 5. So now you may multiply the numerators with numerators. 7, 3 and 3 multiply, and downside 5 into 5. And that sign also you take, minus 7 into 3 into minus 3. So minus into minus, that will give plus here. So result is 3 into 3 9 there, and 9 into 7 63. Okay, and that minus and minus you will multiply, that will give the positive result. So the result is 63 by 25. Now variables, these all variables, x square into x to the power 3. So here x to the power 1 it is. If nothing power is given above x, that means their power is 1. So now you may add their powers, exponents you may add, because the base is same, that is x. So 2 plus 1 plus 3, here I have added the exponents, that is 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. So x to the power 6, same here, the base y is same, and the powers here y to the power 1 you may write that. So the result is y to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is y raised to the power 6 here. So result is 63 by 25 into x to the power 6 into y to the power 6. Okay, yes, so I hope you have understood all the things, but still I want to say that do watch these videos nicely, okay, from starting, so that you can understand all the things easily, and you can solve the questions of exercise 6b. Okay, multiplications of monomials you can solve, and revise the multiplications of monomials for your homework. So thank you all of you.